Hi friends, did you like the video? Well, if you did, then you can make similar or even more cinematic videos using Flova AI, which is one of the world's first all-in-one AI video tools. And today I'm very excited to share this AI video tool with you because you can try it for free and the quality is top-notch. And the best part about this video generator is that your character remains consistent throughout the scenes, unlike other AI tools where your character looks different in scene 1 and that character totally changes into a beast in scene 2. But in Floa AI, you will find a consistent character throughout your video. So in today's video, I'll give you a complete demo of how you can use Flova AI to generate videos from the scratch. So without further ado, let's get started. To access this tool, just click on the link in the description and you will land on the official website of Flova AI. Here you can see a prompt box which we will use now, and below here you can find some interesting videos created by Flova AI. Let's play a video and see what the quality looks like. Now we'll make a video using this tool. In the prompt box, you see multiple options. You can upload an image, an audio, or you can simply type your prompt in the box and make stunning videos. The best part about Floa AI is that it integrates a vast range of latest models as follows. For image generation, it integrates Nano Banana Pro, Seedance 4.5, Midjourney, GPT Image 1, etc. For video generation, it uses Sora 2, VEO, Seedance, 1, 2, Kling, etc. For narration and music, it relies on Sora for music and 11 Labs for voiceovers. To be honest, I had never seen any tool as diverse as Flova AI before. Let's try something creative here. I'll write my prompt, then I can select one of the options from the models and the skills. In the models, I can choose the type of model for my video. I can either choose 1.2.5, Nano Banana Pro, or any other given model here for my video generation. In the skills section here, I see two options. The first option is suitable for making a video in a same place or background with multiple camera cuts. For example, if you want a scene where people are discussing something, then this is the preferred option. The other option is tail to head frame connection, meaning the last frame of the previous shot will become the first frame of the next shot. So you can choose any of the skills and models depending on your need. But for now, I'm continuing to let Flova decide which model best suits for my prompt. Once I click generate, it will make a creative brief based on my prompt and then it will ask for my confirmation. Once I say yes, then it will start making a storyboard for me. It will ask for my permission to confirm at every step, and I'll give the command. Then Flova AI will proceed to gather visual assets. If you don't like any image, then during the processing, you can click here and ask to change it the way you want, and then it will adjust the image accordingly. You can also click regenerate if you don't like an image. You can click on more like this if you like the image, and the Flova AI will learn that what kind of images you are preferring. Or you can click the dislike button to hide an image. Now I'll type yes and it will generate video clips for each image. Meanwhile, it will ask you further questions for clarification and you will reply depending on your requirements. It will take a while and then generate the video clips for each image. Also here you can see an option, branch a new content, which you can use to give the story a different timeline. But now we are not going with any other branch, we are staying with this video generation. Once done, it will then ask for background music and you will type yes. Then it will start processing the background music. You can also give it a prompt if you want to generate a particular type of background music. After you select the background music, it will ask your permission to assemble the video. Type yes and it will assemble your clips. Other than music, you can also add narrations to your video. You simply need to type the prompt or the type of discussion that you want in the video, and based on your given prompt, this tool will generate a dialogue for your video. After those things are done, you will be taken to the timeline, where you can adjust the volume and speed before exporting. Once exported, this would be the final look of the video. So this is one of the examples for character consistency. You see the character is consistent throughout the video. Another interesting feature about Flova AI is that you can export your final video in different editable formats. And Flova AI lets you export Premiere Pro files so you can continue editing in Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut for more detailed and customized editing if you need to. which is a major advantage for creators who want additional fine-tunings in their videos. Now let me show you another example of narration quality of this tool.
But my gentle glow gives everyone sweet.
But I make flowers bloom with just a touch.
And I fill the sky with diamonds for all to wish upon.
Here you see there is a dialogue between sun and moon about beauty. So obviously the quality of the video depends on the quality of prompt that you provide this tool. The better the quality of the prompt, the better the quality of the video generated by Floa AI. So if you sign up to Floa AI by clicking on the link in the description, then you will get 1000 free credits plus 500 credits each week. Everyone can invite a new user, and in that case you will earn additional 300 credits with a maximum of 2200 credits whose worth is equal to $25. You can use Floa AI for making videos and explore its potential. So that's it from PG Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until next one, goodbye and take care.